So how you can hide your WhatsApp number like this? You may be able to see some of your contacts' phone numbers hidden like this and you want to hide yours too. So how you can hide it? The process is quite simple. You have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. Go to the search button and search here WhatsApp and hit the search button. And when WhatsApp app appears up, you have to tap on it and you have to first of all update your WhatsApp application by tapping on this little update button right here. Why is that? The reason is that this feature is in beta testing process. It means that this feature of hiding the WhatsApp phone numbers is now available in some countries and regions, and it is limited to some of the WhatsApp users and it is not available to everyone. But as soon as you update your application, if WhatsApp has launched this update in your region, you'll be able to hide your phone number too. But if even after the update you are not able to hide your phone number, then you can join as WhatsApp beta tester to get this update before all of the other people. Now how you can join as a beta tester? Now the process is different for iPhone and Android, both of the devices. If you are on Android, you can simply go to your Play Store and search WhatsApp for joining as a beta tester. You can watch any of the video for joining as a WhatsApp beta tester and getting this hiding phone number update. But if you are on iPhone, you have to go to App Store and search here Test Flight and hit the search button, and you have to install this Test Flight application, as all the beta testing of the App Store's applications are joined through this application. And after installing this application, you have to open up Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use and search here WhatsApp beta join iPhone and hit the search button. And the very first website which appears up, which says join the WhatsApp Messenger beta for iOS, you have to tap on it and tap on WhatsApp Messenger beta for iOS so and so. And as soon as you tap on it, it will open up the Test Flight application, and it is saying that beta is not accepting any new testers right now. Now keep in mind that whenever WhatsApp releases a new update, it accepts only 10,000 people for beta testing. So just keep an eye on the updates, and whenever WhatsApp releases an update, be quick to join as a beta tester in the first 10,000 people and you'll be able to hide this WhatsApp phone number like this. Or if you don't want to join as a beta tester, just wait for some time and this update will be released to all over the world and you'll be able to hide your WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.